Happy New Year! On behalf of the XoomIM team, Gabriel and I want to thank you for being part of our business community. I know that you, like us, may be thinking that this year affords us the opportunity to set New Year's resolutions. Did you know that January 17th is Ditch New Year's Resolution Day? Because most people give up on their resolutions by then. As a matter of fact, U.S. News and World Report says that approximately 80% of resolutions fail by the second week of February. Because of that fact, we want to encourage you that instead of resolutions, you set business goals. Your business goals in 2018 may be to attract more visibility to your website and your business, to capture more leads and retain more loyal clients. Imagine doubling last year's profits because you have decided to delegate your marketing and free yourself to sell your products, services, and solutions. Imagine how you will feel when you start seeing monthly sales growth because you decided to attend one of our business building workshops and learn how to grow your business. By the way, if on January 17th you feel like ditching your resolutions and instead having some solid business goals, make sure to join us for our Sharing Your Story Through Video workshop. If you'd like to network while you're attending a business building workshop, remember to visit XoomIM.com/events frequently as we update this regularly. By joining our social media community, you will be able to see all our upcoming events as well as receive business building tips regularly. If you are serious about growing your business in 2018, make sure to call us today and we will help you attract, capture, and retain affluent, loyal clients.